Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to change the language on OBS Studio. So the steps are very simple. Make sure to follow along. First of all, you are going to be heading over to the settings. As you can see below studio mode, we have this settings option. Click on that. Now you can see we are now headed over to our settings menu, and in here you can see we have this general on very top, and in that we have this option of language. So you can see when you drop down this option on language, you'll have this option to change the language. Currently I'm recording, so I cannot just drop down this option, so you can simply use these arrows to drop down and select any language of your choice, and that's it. With that being said, our process is completed. I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.